Wants to articulate your ideas clearly but do not have enough vocabulary for that? Well, this video has got you covered today. Hi there, this is Bhavesh Nishal and I welcome you back to my YouTube channel today. In this video, I'm going to talk about how you can improve your vocabulary and I'm going to share with you my methods that I follow on a daily basis so that I can improve my vocabulary. Well, if you are new to this channel, please do consider subscribing to it and sharing my channel with those who need it because I help you with learning English effectively and speak it like never before. Well, let's get back to the point. If you want to get your ideas effectively, then you need to have extensive storage of vocabulary so that you can play with the choice of words that you need and you can just fit in those words in appropriate situations. When I was a kid, I always happened to jot down all of those words, looking from the textbooks and finding from the Googles and all. And I was, by the end of the day, was never able to use them effectively. I was never able to sustain them for long term because I was just trying to mug them up. And the second drawback was I was never able to put them into effect. I was not actually using them in day-to-day conversations. Well, today in this video, I'm going to talk about the practical approaches that actually can help you with learning vocabulary in no time. Well, if you are somebody who's trying to spare some time for this and want to work dedicatedly, then you are good to go for that. Well, today in this video, let me share with you something. The most important and the most vital thing that one should be doing in order to improve vocabulary, that is extensive reading. Yeah, you heard me right. You must have heard of Sasi Tharoor, who always tells that how he actually expanded his vocabulary. And whenever it is asked to him, he always tells the same answer: read extensively. Well, I tell you the same because it helps me and can help you as well because there are many out there who actually improve their vocabulary through reading. So first thing that you need to get into the habit of reading books, read something that actually aligns with your interests, not something that you do not like reading. Well, let's get back to the point. What are the categories of vocabulary that you should be focusing on? Well, I have jotted down all of those categories right here, and I'm just going to tell you one by one. The first and foremost important thing that everybody, even natives, use it more often than not in their day-to-day conversations is phrasal verbs. Now, you must know about it, and if you don't, let me tell you. Phrasal verbs consist of a verb and a preposition which varies their meaning every single time. Let's suppose I say put. Put means to keep something itself. Now, if I add preposition with this, then it is going to vary its meaning, like put off, put on means to wear, put off means to postpone something. So this is how the meaning varies. So you need to work upon learning vocabulary. This is the first thing that one should be focusing on. Now, the second thing is idioms and phrases. Well, this is widely used not by just the native speakers, but also the speaker from any other country. This actually is the cherry on the top on your language. So you should be definitely learning idioms and phrases. Now, the third important thing is collocations. This is something that makes the language more natural. Like you must have heard people saying, "You do mistake, don't do mistake." So do mistake itself is a wrong sentence. You know why? Because more natural is make a mistake. And that is what falls into the category of collocations. So you need to learn the collocations so that you can actually speak natural. Now, the fourth thing is word formation. Now, what do I mean by word formation? You must know the word succeed. You know that word, but now that word itself is a verb. But how can we find out its adjective, adverb, and what else? Obviously, now. So succeed, successful, successfully, and what else? Success. So this is how you know the one word and what you tend to learn more word formation of it. So that is how you learn more. I mean, you just need to learn the parts of speech of a word so that you can expand your vocabulary in no time. Now, the fifth thing is binomial phrases. Well, I do not know much about it, but I have watched some of the videos like far and near. They come with the period and carry a different meaning. So that is what you should be learning. Now, the sixth point is root words. Yeah, you've heard me right. This is what I'm a big fan of. You must have heard the book called Word Power Made Easy, and that book is all about root words. So, if you're somebody who's trying to and reach vocabulary in no time, then root word is something that you should be working upon. Now, the seventh point is affix. What does it mean by? It means suffix and prefix. You need to learn the suffixes and prefixes that are used after and before any word and then makes a very different word. So when you are able to do and play with all of these categories of vocabulary, you are good to go. And I would simply request you to learn at least two of each these things like two phrasal verbs each day, two idioms or phrases each day, and this is how you are actually going to expand your vocabulary. And one more important thing, do not forget to put them into effect because that's how you reinforce your memory of the words. And when you use them repetitively, more often than not, this becomes your habit. This becomes a part of your vocabulary. This becomes a part of your dictionary. So try to use them every single time whenever you have a conversation with anybody. And this is the best way that one can improve vocabulary. Well, this is all about this video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please consider subscribing to my channel because I want to make more videos to help you guys out with learning this English with ease. Thank you very much. Bhavit Nishad signing off.